Hello everyone, it's good to see you here, and today we will see how we can participate in Taiko Airdrop. So let's get into it. So this is the project I'm talking about, and they have recently given up 1% of their token supply to the people or the community who is maintaining Ethereum. So this is a great gesture, and maybe they will do the similar stuff for the people who are supporting them during their testnet. And their mainnet is yet to be launched, and today we will play around with their testnet and get eligible for the airdrop and increase our activity on Taiko by participating in their testnet. So open up taiko.xyz, make sure that you open up the authentic link as there are so many scams out there. And after that, this is the link that will open up. Now click on this option of docs over here. This will take you on documents of Taiko. Now we need to set up our MetaMask in order to get involved in the testnet. And for that, you need to click on this option of set up your wallet. This way it will open up this window for you. Now we need to add chains to our MetaMask. The chains are basically the networks on MetaMask. We need to add two, the Holsky one and the Taiko Katla. This is the testnet they have launched recently. So we need to add these chains. For that, just simply open up the link for Holsky, and this is where it will take you. After that, just add it to your MetaMask. And we will also see another way to add these networks into your MetaMask in an easiest way, but still let's see how we can do it this way. So just add it to your MetaMask and it will be added, as simple as that. Now do the similar thing for Katla testnet and just open up the link, and this is how it will open up. After that, add it to your MetaMask. This way you would be able to add the testnet networks to your MetaMask. And the other way is that you open up the official website, then click on this option of bridge. Then this is the window that will open up. Now connect your MetaMask over here. This way it will prompt you to add the testnet network on your MetaMask with just one click. And in order to add both networks, just switch it over, click on this option of switching, and it will then prompt you to add another testnet. This way you would be able to add testnet in the easiest way possible. So after doing this, we need to get some funds into our testnet in order to do the different activities and transactions. And for that, we will open up the documents again, then click on this option of receive tokens at the left hand side window. And after that, you will be able to find this option of faucet link.to. Just simply open it up. And this is how it will appear. Now click on this option of Holsky on the top and wait for it to load. Then select the very first faucet, and this is how it will open up. Now you need to start mining, and for that, just simply open up your MetaMask. Make sure that you are on Holsky network. Just click on it. Then copy your address and paste it over here. After that, just simply click on this option of start mining and wait for it to do its work. It will start mining, and make sure that you don't stop this mining until you reach the minimum claim rewards. And sometimes it might be 0.5, but currently it is just 0.1. So I can stop earlier as well. And since I already have the funds, let me just stop it. So just stop and claim. After that, just simply click on claim rewards and wait for it to do its work. And after a few seconds, you will be able to see the balance in your MetaMask wallet. So this is how it will appear. Now go to the official website, click on this option of bridge, and this is where it will take you. Now select the option of faucet on the left hand side. Select the token. Only horse token is currently available, so just click on it, then mint it. You will be prompted to sign the transaction on MetaMask. Just sign it and mint it. And since I have already minted this horse token, that's why I cannot mint it again. And after that, click on this option of transactions. And for each and every transaction that you will be able to do on this testnet, you can claim that particular transaction over here. And we will see it, how you can do it. After that, open up bridge section. Now you have funds in your Holsky testnet. We need to transfer this to Katla. For that, just select Katla over here and Holsky over here. Now, since we have Ethereum, so we will just select Ethereum for now. And just type the amount that you want to transfer. Suppose Let me transfer some funds since I have already done all the activities and I'm just doing it for this video again. So just type the amount, click on this option of bridge and wait for it to load. Now it will prompt this MetaMask prompt for you. Just confirm this transaction and wait for it to do its work. And currently the transaction is working. And after a while this transaction will be succeeded. Then click on this option of tokens. Now transfer the horse token that you have in your Holsky testnet. You can transfer them. Just simply type the amount and approve it. After that, just simply click on this option of next, approve, and it will just go, and after a while it will be approved. But you won't be able to see these tokens in your MetaMask as we have not added this token. But in case if you want to see it in your MetaMask, then just simply open up the documents again, and in documents just scroll down. And here in the network reference, you will be able to find the option of addresses. Just simply click on it. After that, scroll down and you will be able to find the code for horse token. Just simply copy it and open up your MetaMask. And in your MetaMask, select the option of tokens, then click on this option of import token, then paste the token address. After that, click on next, click on import. And this way you would be able to see the horse token on MetaMask as well. So this is how you will be able to see it. And after you bridge it to the Taiko testnet, you won't be able to see it on that testnet as well. For that, you will have to just scroll down and you will be able to find the option of bridged horse token. So just copy the code for this and paste it on the MetaMask for the Taiko testnet and just do the similar process and you would be able to add it and see it on your MetaMask as well. Currently, it seems like there is some problem while processing the transaction, and it is completely fine as these are the testnets and there is huge traffic on it due to the testing going on and also the airdrop people trying to do all this stuff. So the traffic increases. So it's completely fine if you see any error, just keep trying again and you would be able to do it. So after bridging this, just go to the section of transactions and claim your transaction. For that, just simply click on this option of claim, and sometimes it might take hours to claim these tokens as it is completely normal, and after that just claim it and it will be shown as claimed after that. And it has shown unknown error, but currently I'm seeing claimed over here, so it's completely fine. And just claim these transactions. After that, just simply open up the official website, then click on the option of swap, and this is where it will take you. Now over here, just change your network to Taiko, switch your network and do some swapping to increase your transactions on Taiko testnet. Just type the amount and then select another token that you want to convert into. Suppose I want to convert into horse. It will fetch the best price for you. Then just simply click on this option of swap, then confirm this swap and wait for it to give you this prompt, then confirm. And after a while it will be swapped. Then just simply close it up. And we also have to participate in the pools. So for that, we will just simply go on pool section. Here we can see our already existing pools, and in order to add a new position, just simply click on this option of a new position, then select the pair for which you want to add the liquidity. After that, just select the fee tier. You can select any because it is just a testnet, then select full range, and when you scroll down you will be able to find the amount. Just select the amount for which you want to stake the liquidity, and after that approve that particular liquidity. Now click on next, approve, and it might take a little while as it took a while to convert the horse from Ethereum. So it currently seems like the network is congested, so it might take a while. After it gets completed, we need to do one more step in order to increase our activity on chain. So just open up the official website of Taiko and click on this option of ecosystem and then explore different projects on Taiko. This way you would be able to give a good amount of activity on Taiko Testnet and you will be able to leave good traces. And after it is completed, you can do one more bonus step in order to increase your chances. For that, you just need to click on this option of bridge, but let's complete our liquidity that we just did. So it got approved. Now click on add and confirm it. Now let's get back to bridging. So let's open it up, and over here you will be able to find the option of NFT, but you don't have any NFT on testnet as of now. So how do we get it? For this, just simply open up X or Twitter and search for Taiko Katla NFT. And this way you would be able to find this link for this NFT by this person. And if you scroll down further, you will be able to find many such links in order to create the NFTs and do this particular step. So we will not go further and just open this particular link. This is how it will appear. Now after that, click on this option of contract, then select the option of write contract, and over here you will be able to find the option of connect to Web3. Just simply select it and click on OK. Select MetaMask or any other wallet of your choice. Since we are doing it using MetaMask, we will select MetaMask. And after it is connected, just simply click on this option of mint. Then in the mint section, type 0 and then type the amount of NFTs that you want to mint, and then click on this option of write. Make sure that you are on the right network, since we are doing so many things together. That's why it is showing as error for us, since we got just success on our adding liquidity. So we just added liquidity. Now we can change our network. So make sure that your MetaMask is on Holsky network, and after that just simply click on this option of mint, then type 0 and then type the amount of NFTs that you want to mint and click on this option of write. After that, it will prompt this transaction on MetaMask. Just simply confirm it. Click on this option of view transaction and let it complete. And after it is complete, just copy this address and go to the NFT section, and over here just click on this option of add manually. Now paste the address, and in the token ID we will just get back and see the token ID, and it is 914901. So make sure that you write it correctly from this particular transaction, and after that click on continue. Click on confirm and approve. Now confirm the prompt on MetaMask and wait for it to do its job. And it just got approved. And this is how you can participate in Taiko's Testnet Airdrop. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to see more such videos related to crypto airdrops and crypto fundamentals, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn the notifications on, and make sure to hit that like button. See you in the next video.